What is project management, and why should you care? Project management is the discipline of planning, organizing, and managing resources to bring about the successful completion of specific goals and objectives. Whether constructing a skyscraper, developing software, or launching a marketing campaign, project management provides a structured approach to ensuring that work is completed on time, within budget, and to the desired quality standards. In essence, project management is both a science and an art. It requires the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to create activities, but also relies heavily on communication, leadership, and adaptability. But there is one single, overriding truth. A project is controlled. We create rules at the beginning, and we stick with them. We do not make it up as we go along. So, no surprise, it's pretty important that we choose the right rules to begin with. And that's where this series of videos comes in. People and organizations have been running projects for a long time. The Romans didn't wake up and casually decide to build aqueducts or colosseums. These feats require detailed planning, just like your projects will. And that is what you are going to learn. How to make a plan, how to get other people to follow the plan, and how to turn that plan into reality. In this series, we are going to stick with what works. The tools and methods that have been proven time after time to consistently deliver successful results. That means we are not going to choose one methodology over another, and we will come to methodologies later. Instead, we are going to cherry-pick the best from what is out there and adapt and modify as appropriate to suit our needs. So what defines a project? A project is a temporary effort undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. It has a clear beginning and end, introduces change or something new, is not part of routine operations, i.e., business as usual. Is constrained by time, cost, scope, and quality. A project can consist of a single task or many. It can involve a small team or a vast group across multiple continents. Regardless of scale, one truth remains: projects must be controlled. Rules are set from the beginning and adhered to. Making it up as you go is a direct path to disaster. Choosing the right rules is critical, and that's what we are going to learn. Next, a brief history of project management. Project management has existed since ancient civilizations built pyramids, roads, and fortifications. As a formal discipline, it gained structure in the mid-20th century with major military and engineering projects. Key milestones include 1950s, development of the critical path method, CPM, and program evaluation. Review technique PERT, 1969, founding of the project. Management Institute, PMI, 1975. Creation of prompt, precursor to Prince2. 2001, publication of the Agile Manifesto, revolutionizing software development. Today, project management is a critical function in nearly every industry. So here are some key takeaways to consider. A project is a temporary, goal-driven effort with specific constraints. Project management balances scope, time, cost, and quality. Understanding the project lifecycle is essential to effectively structuring your work. So what does a project manager actually do? A project manager leads the planning, execution, and delivery of a project. They act like an orchestra conductor, not playing every instrument, but ensuring all parts work harmoniously. You don't need to do the technical work, but it's your job to make sure it gets done in time, within budget, and to standard. So here's our quick summary. A project is a structured effort with defined goals, timeline, and constraints. Project managers lead the team, plan the path, and ensure quality delivery. Next, we can take a look at some of the skills we are going to need to acquire if we are going to succeed as a project manager.